Because right now, if I may ask you, you went on social media. Did social media pay you? Did you get some knowledge on social media? No, why? Because every time when you go on social media, you're just scrolling on TikTok, on Instagram. You're letting social media to get your time. You're just watching these girls that don't have any knowledge, these dancers, TikToker dancers that don't have any knowledge, that just want to waste your time, and they're making more money on you, and you're just busy scrolling. Imagine this, guys. Today is 1 January 2023. You wake up in the morning, you start watching Netflix, you start eating junk foods, and once you are done with all these things, in the night, you go on TikTok, Instagram, just scrolling, just consuming this useless contents. Boom, it's 12 p.m. and the day is gone. Think about it. You have wasted the day. Now think about it. It's 31 December 2023 and you have wasted all these 365 days just doing the same things. What would you be? Now let's put this way. Imagine today is 1 January 2024. You wake up, you do 100 push-ups, you start educating yourself, you're reading a book, you're listening to a podcast, you're just working on your laptop or whatever, it's your computer, whatever, it's your phone, just doing some business works or maybe just learning a new skill, and boom, the day is invested. Now think about it. Today is 31 December and you have invested all these 365 days in something that is developing you, in something that will make you become the great person and will make you become the best person of your life that you want to be. What kind of person would you be? Now, many people don't think about this, and I try to tell people every time. There's one quote that says, the energy that you invest determines the outcome. This is very straightforward. Everything that you do today will determine your outcome. Now, many people don't understand about this. This is the powerful of this rule. Everything that you invest determines the outcome. Now, many people, they are distracted. And let's start with social media. TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. This social media, many people say, no, you need to delete these social medias, you need to delete all whatever the app, and I think maybe this can be the solution. And you know why? I'll tell you why. I'm not saying everyone needs this social media, and I'm not saying everyone don't need this social media. But my suggestion is you need to make social media pay you. And what do I mean by paying you? Just imagine, people go on social media, they go on TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, every social media, Snapchat, they're just scrolling, they're just consuming the content that is useless. Now imagine if you go on Instagram, you go on TikTok, you start following people who are giving you knowledge, the inspiration. Just see someone, okay, this guy is 18 years old, me, I'm 25 years old, and I've done anything. And this guy is driving Lamborghini, and if he can do it, I can do it. You see, you are getting inspiration from social media. So you need to make sure you are getting the knowledge, you are investing time in social media. Don't let social media use you. You need to use social media to pay you more than 5 times that you want. Whatever, everything that you want. So the fact that you need to understand is, you need to make sure use social media less. If you want to give it less time, you need to give it less time. If you want to give it more time, use it to invest time. Start following people who are giving you value. Start following people who are making you to start thinking, changing your mind, and start doing the things that you make you focus and start living your life. Because right now, if I may ask you, you went on social media. Did social media pay you? Did you get some knowledge on social media? No, why? Because every time when you go on social media, you're just scrolling on TikTok, on Instagram. You're letting social media to get your time. You're just watching these girls that don't have any knowledge, these dancers, TikToker dancers that don't have any knowledge, that just want to waste your time, and they're making more money on you, and you're just busy scrolling. So One suggestion that I need to give you guys, the only solution to this is you need to stop following people who are wasting your time, and you need to start following people who are inspiring you, people who are making you become educative, people who are making you to start living your best life. So once you start following these people, now you have knowledge. Imagine now 365 days you're just doing the same things, you're just investing time. What would your life be? Think about it. Because everything that you dream of, man, I can have a Lamborghini, man, I can have this, you would have all these things if you just stop wasting your time, and if you start investing your time. It's very simple and straightforward. There's not even like, no man, this guy is lucky. There's not even lucky, because that guy is investing time. Because distraction nowadays is very everywhere. Because even off social media, people are distracted. They're just thinking about something else. They're distracted in their minds. What you need to understand, guys, is that what you think about is what you become. What you watch is what you become. What you listen to is what you become. So what you need to understand, guys, is that you need to make sure control everything, every action of your life. What you think about it, you need to make sure there's knowledge in it. What you listen to, make sure there's knowledge in it. What you watch, make sure there's knowledge in it. And once you control all these things now, you'll be unstoppable. Why? Because everything that you are doing, you're investing time. And remember this, the energy that you invest determines the outcome. Very simple and straightforward.
Exactly as my brother said. I truly appreciate you, brother. And it only takes 1 year of dedication and hard work to achieve greatness, to achieve all your dreams in life. If you want to make 2024 the best year of your life, if you don't want to waste this year, brother, I'm telling you this because I want all of you guys who are watching to achieve. I want you, all of you guys who are watching, to achieve greatness in life. I don't want anyone to fail. You deserve it. If you put hard work, dedication, consistency, you will achieve all your goals in 2024. You will not waste this year. A lot of people say, oh man, it's hard. Yes, it's hard. It's supposed to be. We all start from scratch. No one has ever started from top. We all start from the zero background. The richest man in the world, they all started from scratch. You also need to do the same. You need to start from scratch. If you don't want to waste this year, start improving yourself. Start deciding your hobby. Imagine if you dedicated yourself for 365 days, educating yourself, reading even books, consuming knowledge, following people on TikTok who can change your life, following people on Instagram who can change your life, following people on Facebook who can change your life, watching podcasts, consuming knowledge. Imagine who would you be? You would be the most knowledgeable man because you took 1 year of consistency, doing the same thing over and over again, educating yourself. If you don't want to waste this year, you need to stop watching useless things on TikTok. A lot of people say, as my brother said, you should reach all social media accounts. You should do what? But I'm not saying you can reach all social media's account as well. I'm saying use those things to start educating yourself. Because if you reach social medias, if you reach all social media accounts, how will you educate yourself? You need to start following right people. The problem is not social media. The problem is you. The problem is your people. Because you don't want to start educating yourself. You don't want to follow things that are changing your life. You're just following useless things. These girls on OnlyFans, these girls on TikTok who are just dancing. They don't have any knowledge. They're just teaching you useless things, and these girls are here to destroy you. You need to understand this, guys. The problem is you. If you start using social media in the right way, you will achieve greatness. You will start making incomes in your life. You will start making money. You will start achieving your goals. You don't need to delete your social media account. No, you just need to start using them in the right way. People are distracted of watching useless videos. People are distracted of watching useless videos on social media. People are distracted watching useless things on social media. People are distracted following useless people on social media. But if you start following people who will be educating you, people who will be changing your life, you will be the most educatable man for this end of the year. I know I can't force you guys. I know I can't come and beat you. I know I can't come and force you to start working. But you can see from my background, me and my brother, go and check our first video. We started on 1 January 2024. We don't have any materials, none of the best things we can be using to start, but we just decided to start. We didn't waste time, guys. I was saying, no, I will start on 2025. No, the time is up. We need to start now. Start taking action now. You appreciate, brother. Just start taking action now. You appreciate. People say, don't look for a messenger. Look for a message which is coming out. If I am telling you things that will improve and change your life, then follow it and start doing them.
And remember this, the energy that you invest determines the outcome. It's very simple and straightforward.